James Clerk Maxwell gave us the first unified theory of electricity and magnetism. His equations shaped modern physics and defined how we think about light. But Maxwell never had a geometric model of energy. Today, we explore how Tetryonics reveals the structure behind Maxwell's equations and corrects the assumptions that have limited our understanding of light for over 150 years. Let's begin with Maxwell's legacy and its limits. Maxwell's equations are elegant. They describe how electric and magnetic fields interact, propagate, and form electromagnetic waves. But they don't explain what light is made of. They don't reveal the geometry of a photon. And they don't show how energy is actually structured. Maxwell gave us field equations. Tetryonics gives us the geometry those fields emerge from. Maxwell treated electromagnetic fields as smooth, continuous waves. But nature doesn't operate in smooth continua. It operates in discrete quanta, structured, countable, quantized geometric units of energy. Light isn't a continuous wave, it's a tessellation of equilateral energy areas. The photon, the ideal quantum transformer. Tetryonics begins with a simple geometric truth. Electromagnetic energy is the result or more two W bosons combining to create a quantum of neutral charged mass energy momentum. A photon is not a sinusoidal wave, it is a rhombic, oscillating arrangement of equilateral energy quanta, forming a precise geometric form with electric energy, magnetic energy, and momentum vectors. This triangular architecture produces the wave-like behavior Maxwell described, but with a discrete geometric foundation he never had, where Maxwell's equations fall short. Maxwell's equations describe field behavior, but they assume continuous fields, smooth waveforms, and no discrete energy structure. This leads to conceptual gaps. What is a field? What is a photon? Why does light have momentum? How does energy propagate without a medium? Tetryonics answers these questions by revealing the triangular geometry underlying every electromagnetic interaction. Tetryonics corrects and extends Maxwell. With tetrayonic geometry, electric and magnetic fields become tessellated layers of triangular energy units. The photon becomes a quantized geometric object. And critically, Tetryonics unifies Maxwell's fields with mass energy matter, showing how radiant energy, inertial mass, and physical matter share the same geometric foundation. Why this matters. When you restore geometry to electromagnetism, photons become countable, visual, and measurable. Field interactions become predictable from first principles. And the wave-particle duality disappears, replaced by a single, consistent geometric model. Light stops being mysterious. It becomes a triangular, quantized, geometric phenomenon. Maxwell opened the door to electromagnetism. Tetryonics walks through it with the geometry he never had. Light is not a wave in a void. It is a structured, quantized, triangular geometry of energy.